In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 400 error in Notion quickly and easily in 2026. If you're opening a Notion page and suddenly seeing an error 400 message, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it can be fixed in just a few minutes. This method works even if the page won't fully load or keeps throwing the error every time you try to access it. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can recover your content and get back to work without losing anything important. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes in Notion tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the page that is causing the error 400 issue. Even if the page looks broken or partially loads, try to open it from your sidebar or recent pages list. In most cases, the page will still appear even though the error message shows up. Once you're on the page that's causing the problem, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see the three dots menu, also known as the Page Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This menu gives you access to all the actions you can perform on the page. From the menu that opens, find and click on the option that says Duplicate. What this does is create a copy of the page without carrying over the error that's affecting the original. Notion errors like this are often tied to corrupted page data, and duplicating the page is one of the fastest ways to fix it. After clicking Duplicate, Notion will create a new copy of the page, usually in the same location or in your workspace. Open the duplicated page and check to make sure it loads properly. In most cases, the duplicate will open without any error 400 issues, and all your content should be there exactly as before. Once you've confirmed that the duplicated page is working correctly, you can safely remove the original page that was causing the error. Go back to the original broken page, click on the three dots menu again, and this time select Delete. After clicking Delete, Notion will ask you to confirm by moving the page to Trash. Click on Move to Trash to complete the process. This removes the corrupted page from your workspace while keeping your duplicated working version intact. After that, you're done. The error 400 issue should now be completely resolved, and you can continue using Notion normally without any interruptions. As a final tip, if you experience errors like this often, make sure your Notion app or browser is up to date, and try clearing your browser cache occasionally. That can help prevent similar issues in the future. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the error 400 error in Notion using a simple and safe method. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.